Ever wondered if that friendly green logo on your local bank branch represents a neighbor or someone from further afield? You see TD Bank branches popping up all over the place, offering everything from checking accounts to mortgages. But have you ever stopped to think about where TD Bank actually comes from? Is it one of our own, deeply rooted in American soil, or does it have its origins across international borders? It's a fair question, especially in today's globalized world where financial institutions often have complex international structures. We trust our banks with our hard-earned money, so understanding their background and ownership is important. It can influence everything from customer service approaches to the broader economic landscape. So, let's dive into the details and unravel the story behind TD Bank. To answer the core question directly, yes, TD Bank is indeed considered a foreign bank operating in the United States. Now, before you jump to conclusions, let's clarify what that actually means. TD Bank's parent company is Toronto-Dominion Bank, headquartered in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. This makes TD Bank's operations in the United States a subsidiary of a Canadian financial institution. However, it's crucial to understand that foreign bank doesn't necessarily imply a lack of deep roots or commitment to the American market. TD Bank has established a significant and substantial presence in the United States. It operates a vast network of branches along the East Coast, from Maine all the way down to Florida. Millions of Americans rely on TD Bank for their everyday banking needs, mortgages, loans, and investment services. The bank has invested heavily in infrastructure, technology, and local communities within the United States. It employs tens of thousands of Americans and contributes significantly to the economies of the states where it operates. In many ways, while its ultimate ownership lies in Canada, TD Bank functions as a major American bank. Think of it like this: many multinational corporations operate in various countries. While their headquarters might be in one specific nation, they establish subsidiaries and branches in others, becoming deeply integrated into those local economies. TD Bank's situation is similar. It's a Canadian entity with a very strong and active American arm. This international structure can sometimes offer benefits to customers. For instance, a large, stable parent company like Toronto-Dominion Bank can provide financial strength and security to its U.S. operations. It can also lead to the adoption of best practices and innovative technologies from across the entire organization. Of course, being a foreign bank also means that TD Bank is subject to regulations and oversight from both American and Canadian authorities. This dual regulatory environment ensures a robust level of scrutiny and accountability. So, the next time you see a TD Bank branch, remember that while its roots extend north of the border, it's a significant player in the American banking landscape, serving millions of customers and contributing to the nation's financial system. It's a testament to the interconnected nature of the global economy and how financial institutions can successfully operate across international lines, becoming integral parts of the communities they serve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.